Hey everybody, how's it going? In this video, we're going to be talking about operator. It's an easy topic, so we should go through it quite quickly. So, what is an operator? Where an operator is something like a plus, a mathematical operator. It's like a plus, a minus, a multiplication, division, and floor division. So, there are two types of operators: binary operators and unary operators. So, binary operators is an operator that has two operands. So the plus has 2 before it and then 3 after it. If, in case you didn't know, this is an operand. A 2 here is called an operand and 3 is called an operand. Okay? So a binary operator has 2 operands and the unary only has 1. So there aren't a lot of unary operators in Python. There's only the negative, right? And you notice that it's in both the binary operator and in the unary operator, okay? In other programming languages such as C++, there are more unary operators. However, in Python, you're good. Okay, so we have the plus and minus and multiplication. You know these, so I'm not gonna focus on them that much. Now let's move on to the division and the floor division. So instead of me explaining what the difference is, how about I show you? You see here on the side, 2 divided by 3 is 0.6666 recurring, right? But 2 divided 3, which is floor division, is 0. So what happens here is it gets the division, which is 2 divided by 3, and then it floors it. So for example, if the answer was 1.7, it's going to be 1. If the answer was 9.1, it's going to be 9. If the answer was 10.5, it's going to be 10. That's what flooring is. And this is very important at times. For example, if you're looking for something like an index, there are no indexes that have something like 1.5. And you're going to learn this more and more as you go. The next operator is one of my favorites. This is called the modulo operator. This operator is very, very useful in programming, and I'm going to have a separate video on this. And it's basically, the whole role of modulo operator is to get the remainder of something. So you remember the long division that we used to have back in school? This doesn't get the division. This gets what's left of it. So at the bottom, when you have a line and you remember those numbers at the bottom, this is the answer for the remainder. This is the remainder. So that's what the modulo operator gets, right? This percentage sign over here. So let's have a look at this. So 5% 2 is not divisible. So let's have a look at the answer. Well, it is 1. So the remainder of 5% 2 is 1. Finally, let's look at the power operator. So to get the power operator, you simply put 2 asterisks. And you put an operand before, an operand after. So here you have 4 to the power of 3. You could also do something like this. So it would be 4 to the power of half, which is basically a root. Okay. You could do something like this. So let's just simply have a look at this alone. And there you go. 4 to the power of 2 is in fact 16. And these are the operators. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one.